this was expected when we were speaking a couple of minutes back as to how during the 2019 Lok Sabha elections, when Robert Vadra would reach the ED office, you would see him. That bunch of his supporters were, around him. What we are given to understand that Robert Vadra could be actually coming to this particular lane near the Enforcement Directorate office, and he's marching with his set of supporters who are actually trying to dub the entire matter into a political vendetta case. So that has been a standard, political defense from Robert Vadra and supporters, as well the Congress party workers, that whenever the Enforcement Directorate or the investigative agencies summon him, we have seen this happening right from 2019 itself, that every time such summons are issued when Robert Vadra usually comes to the Enforcement Directorate office, what you see is that, a kind of protest also erupts around the ED office. So we'll have to see as to whether a similar kind of visual or protest can be seen around the ED office, and whether the agency will be allowing that at all. And moreover, but the moment he has left, like Rahul Gandhi, Robert Vadra is marching from the Sujan Singh Park residence towards the Enforcement Directorate office, which is nearly 2 kilometers away. And in that particular march, a show of strength is also being showcased by Robert Vadra and his supporters, where constantly slogans are being raised in favor of Robert Vadra, trying to dub this as what we are given to understand is that on the other side of the lane, it could be Robert Vadra. So we are trying to get you those visuals as well as he enters the lane where the Enforcement Directorate office is located. So Sujan Singh Park is nearly 2 kilometers away. The march would take usually 15 minutes for him to reach here at this particular location where the Enforcement Directorate headquarters is concerned. And he's surrounded by a set of supporters who are constantly raising slogans in support of Robert Vadra, as well as, trying to dub this as political conspiracy. And, we'll have to wait for that word also coming from Robert Vadra about the allegations that have been labelled against him, against Skylight properties that Mr. Vadra owns, and the land deal into which this summon has been issued by the Enforcement Directorate, accusing, suspecting rather at the angle of money laundering. So in any time from now, what we will see is that the visuals of Robert Vadra actually reaching the ED office from this particular stretch. This is the point from where Robert Vadra could be reaching the Enforcement Directorate and is marching like we had seen Rahul Gandhi march during the Bharat Jodo Yatra. So possibly now Robert Vadra also taking a cue from Rahul Gandhi in order to reach the Enforcement Directorate office, and he's being surrounded by a set of supporters who are raising slogans constantly in support of Robert Vadra. Sneha.
Absolutely. So Robert Vadra there marching to the ED office there. Once again, listening to what he said when asked these questions by reporters.
Nothing. Why is several times. Again, you have been served again. Notice. Have been served again. What can you say? Exactly. I don't know what political intimidation or something. Exactly. It's a political vendetta. That's it. Okay, done. Chhod do yaar. Chhod do. Nothing. Why is several times. Again. You have been served again. Notice.
कुछ ऐसे केसेस के बारे में बिल्कुल गलत है।
रॉबर्ट जी, क्या बड़ा झटका आप मान रहे हैं इसके लिए? क्योंकि जिस
अरे सब कुछ 10 घंटे बात किए, कोई ऐसे सवाल नहीं था जो जवाब नहीं दिए।
मोदी करता है।
इन्होंने हर चीज छानबीन कर दी, कार्रवाई कर दी, कुछ भी नहीं मिला और कुछ मिलेगा भी।
नरेंद्र मोदी
बात कर रहे हैं वो, एक सेकंड सर, बात करने तो वाड्रा साहब, आपकी गिरफ्तारी भी हो सकती है, तैयार है?
ठीक है, बिल्कुल सब हर चीज के लिए तैयार है, हर चीज के लिए तैयार है। एजेंसियों का दुरुपयोग हो रहा है पूरा और बिल्कुल गलत है। और जब मैं लोगों के हित में बोलता हूँ, माइनॉरिटीज के लिए बोलता हूँ, तो हमें दबाया जाता है। राहुल को संसद में दबाया जाता है। मुझे अपने कार्यक्रम में जो भी मैं करता हूँ उसमें दबाते हैं।
वाड्रा,
कुछ भी नहीं निकला, वो तो ईडी वालों से पूछो ना आप लोग।
ट्रांजैक्शन में मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग हुई है जो आपने पैसा कमाया
नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है भैया। 20 साल में कुछ नहीं मिला। प्रूव करो ना। क्या भैया?
आज तक के सवालों का जवाब दे रहे थे रॉबर्ट वाड्रा। कुछ मिनट की देरी है, कुछ मिनट में ईडी ऑफिस पहुंचेंगे और कुछ समर्थक है, नारेबाजी हो रही है, पुलिस उन्हें लेकर के आ रही है, वो ईडी ऑफिस की ओर खुद चलकर जा रहे हैं। दो चीजें कही कि 20 साल से पुराना केस।
I speak for the minorities, I speak for the people of the country, and they misuse the agencies and try and quiet me down, stop me. They stop Rahul in the parliament and they stop me on the ground. Yeah.
are you dubbing it as a political conspiracy?
100%. 100. Everybody knows. Everybody knows.
अब तक why are you being देख रहा वो बहुत खराब रहा है, क्या कहना? So right there, Robert Vadra marching towards the Enforcement Directorate office, and he's saying that it's a political conspiracy against him. He's saying that this is being done because he has been speaking for the minorities, and he is refuting the allegations of the Enforcement Directorate against him. So in the visuals, you could see the police personnel deployed at the ED office has stopped the journalists from marching further, and Robert Vadra is being taken to the ED office right now. He was marching with set of his supporters, and what Robert Vadra spoke right now is something very important to note out here, is that he's saying that it is a political conspiracy, and he's saying that because he speaks for the minorities, that is why he's being probed by the agency, summoned by the agency. So what needs to be noted out here is the kind and manner and fashion he has reached the Enforcement Directorate office. Like Rahul Gandhi, he chose to march towards the Enforcement Directorate office. And when India Today asked Robert Vadra about the allegations that he's facing against the Skylight properties, so what Robert Vadra said, it's a political conspiracy. He's being targeted because he speaks for the minorities. And right now, in the visuals, right there, Robert Vadra with the security personnel right there, and he marched from Sujan Singh Park to the Enforcement Directorate office, which is nearly 2 kilometers away. And this was in a manner and fashion that Rahul Gandhi had carried out Bharat Jodo Yatra. In a similar fashion today, what we saw is that Robert Vadra heading towards the ED office, and he's waving at the TV cameras that's on standby right now. But the police has stopped us at this spot where you can see the police deployment has been made. The barricades have been put up so that the journalists could not cross this particular area up to the ED office where we were standing a few minutes back. This could be possibly because of maintaining the situation near the Enforcement Directorate office. But before Robert Vadra reached that ED office, India Today spoke to him and asked him about the allegations that he is facing right now against the Skylight properties, and the questioning or the investigation of the probe by the Enforcement Directorate against Skylight properties. So what Mr. Vadra said was that it is a political conspiracy, and in the visuals we can see Robert Vadra now has taken the left turn towards the Enforcement Directorate headquarters located on the APJ Abdul Kalam Road, not far from his house. But before going to the Enforcement Directorate office, Robert Vadra to India Today said that it is a political conspiracy against him, and he is being targeted because he speaks for the underprivileged and the minority in the country, and he tried to equate the investigations that are being done against Rahul Gandhi with those being carried out against him as well. So clearly a sign that a claim that the investigation by the enforcement directorate or the agency, central agency right now, is out of political vendetta, political conspiracy, and it does not has merit.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.